afternoon po, everyone. This is our presentation. Bye, anak. I'm gonna go to work na. I don't know, but I will go na, anak. I'm sorry that I'm gonna leave you here. But please, mommy, don't leave me. I'm gonna go to work na, anak. Because I don't have any money to give you something. Mommy, okay, bye. Not fair that I'm not here. I wish I could go with my mom, but she's working. So I do nothing. I go to school by my own. It's okay. I am always with you whenever I'm not with you. I'm always with you. Okay, mommy, thank you.